Good day, sir. By the way, my name is Jayton Dag from East IT Automotive, and I'm gonna share about my topic was the race of fake news.
Turkish media reporting that missing Washington Post columnist and Saudi dissident Jamal Khashoggi may have recorded his own death.
We are here to protest CNN and their fake news. Thank you, Lord, that Hillary
What you're looking at and hearing there are incredible new images into CNN this morning that show the fury of Hurricane Michael as it slams into the Florida Panhandle. And right now, the death toll from that storm is 17. The number is believing the honest to God.
With my husband, we together because I believe that
Missing Saudi journalist Jamal Khashoggi may have recorded his own death. Turkish officials saying they have audio and visual evidence the Washington Post columnist was killed inside the Saudi consulate.
The impact of the fake news is that the consecutive of the rise of fake news are far-reaching. It erodes trust and engagement of news sources, polarize public opinion, and incite violence. The theory, for example, of news and pole- potential potential of fake news that lead in the real world harm to spread or misinterpretation about vaccine has also have a serious public health consequence. Addressing the rise of fake news is required a multi-pronged approach that includes media legacy, educational equipment, and individual skill. Critical involved informations online involve fact merchandise and greater the untransparency accountability from social media. So that's all my video. Thank you. So what is the fake news? Fake news is a deliberate, fabricated, or misleading information presented as legitimate news has emerged a critical social challenge in a digital age. While the misinformation is not new, the internet and the social have applied its scale and speed per digital erase relied on limited channel. Fake, fake news is a complex and involved threat, fluid and technological, political, and social factor. Addressing it requires a motivated approach combining technological solution, educational, media responsibility, and public awareness. Com- combat, com- Combating fake news is not only about correcting falsehood but about strength the the foundations of the truth in society. So while offering unperceived access to information is also lower the barrier to interact, creating and disseminating the content and regardless of its verity. The easy to share articles regardless of the source credibility has fostered as rapid spread of fake news, often outpacing the fact checking efforts and of the social media platform, designed to minimize engagement of often prioritize sensation of or emotional charged content, applying the reach of fake news. Thank you.